My name still remains Usman Lawal Idoko, and I'm the CEO of Louis Mobile Technology. Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, we want to talk about 8 secrets in phone accessory business in Nigeria that a lot of sellers out there will not tell you, especially if you are planning to venture into this business, or maybe you are already doing the business but the business is not moving the way you want it to be moving. So just relax. Today I'll be explaining it bit by bit, some of these secrets that all of them out there who are making real money from this business will never tell you. So if you are coming to this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because in this video I always tell you how it is, how you are going to see it in the how it is running in the market, because not everyone will come and tell you some of these secrets that every time when I come online I share them to you, to share them in the public. So it is very important that if you are coming to this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bar, so that each time when I'm releasing a new video you will be the first to know. And if you are new channel, thank you very much, because your presence in this channel have really encouraged me and three butters. So let's move in to the 8 secrets. So this 8 secret now we have in our number 1 in the list. We have fake and original. When we talk about fake and original, a lot of people, is one of the secrets behind this business that a lot of people don't even know. So whenever you establish this kind of business, and maybe you want to go and buy this accessory from a wholesaler, always make sure that you ask questions. You tell him, this is particular product that I want to buy. Do not come to your shop and start selling fake products and be telling your customers that this particular product is original. It makes you to lose your customers. So always avoid selling fake things. If you are going to sell a fake product to your customer, tell the person. If the person is willing to buy, he will know that yes, what I am buying is a fake product. But don't go ahead and tell your customer that this product I'm about to sell for you now is original, meanwhile the product is fake. It drives customers away, and that's why you can just sell, but before you know it, people will be discouraged to come to your shop to come and buy, because they didn't get good result the last time they came to your shop. So number 2, you need to sell what move fast. Yes, you need to sell what move fast. When I say what move fast is, you don't necessarily just go to where they are selling a wholesale and you start buying accessory without even knowing whether this accessory is moving in the market or not. So you need to sell what move fast. And what are those things that move fast? Like I have explained in my former video, we have chargers, we have earpiece, we have phone case, we have a screen guard, we have a battery power bank. These are some of the phone accessories that move very fast in the market. So if you are going to market to buy somebody, buy this thing, because that is what move fast in the market. Charger usually get damaged or get burned or get lost, so it's something that people need it on daily basis. People need to work with their charger. Screen guard is the same thing. And the earpiece, sometimes people want to, maybe while they are traveling, they need earpiece so that they can be listening to music and receiving their call. So this phone accessory item is what move in the market, and this is the secret. You don't just go to maybe if you have not had an idea on how this business run, maybe you go to the wholesale and you start telling him that I need this, I need this, I need that. No. You need to buy those things that sell very fast, because you need to you need to turn over. Yes, you need to sell these products at because the more you delay, the more those brands will keep, will be out of the market. So you need to sell fast and sell those things that move fast. So number 3 in our list, when you want to buy your phone accessory for your business, buy from a trusted wholesale sources. If you want to buy a wholesale, buy from a trusted sources. So there are many trusted sources on, you can browse some of them online. When you go online, you can browse them, then you can go to review, you read what people have said about those particular source, whether they are good. If they are good, you see. If they are bad, you see. So but if you are in Nigeria and maybe you don't have the financial power to import this product from maybe overseas to Nigeria, you can actually buy this product from trusted sources we have in Nigeria here. Like we have in a computer village in Lagos, you can go there. All you need to do is to, try your best to get someone who is very, very good, who will tell you the truth, who will be very, very sincere with you. What is not good, he will openly tell you. What is good, he will openly tell you. And we have in Abuja, we can go to Wuse Market, or if you are living in a suburb of the FCT, there are places like in Maraba Heart Plaza. These places are, market where they sell mobile accessory, and you can get a very trusted sources there that can be able to supply you some of these products. So you need to buy your product from a trusted. These are just the secret, because if you eventually buy this product from someone who is not sincere with his business, you will find out that most of the product you are going to buy from them, when you sell them, people will complain, because he will never give you products that are good. He might sell charger that have already burned, and maybe when you return it, he will tell you he doesn't accept it because you have already paid. So it's already good to only look for a trusted source where you are going to buy your goods in wholesale. So number 4 in this is display matters. Display matters is very, very, very important. When we say display matter, we are talking of how did you brand your shop, your kiosk, your table, wherever you are selling your product from. If you don't have a shop, you can set up this business in a kiosk or in a table, because it's not a business that you have to become Dangote to start up. No. With as little as any amount, you can start up. So anywhere you are situated, you need to learn how to display your product. You have to make your product to be bold so that anybody can be able to see your product. This is just the secret. You don't just hide yourself somewhere, maybe thinking that customer will. No. You have to display your goods and make sure that it's visible for anybody who is passing, who want to, who, if you are situated in the market, they came in, they can be able to sight your shop, see how well your shop is organized. So your shop should be organized. You should be clean. You should be maintain your goods in your shop so that it will look very attractive, and from there you are going to gain a lot of customers who are going to come to patronize you. So another secret behind the business is trend alert. Yes, you have to be updated. You have to be updated. When I said updated, is that you need to look out to what is trending in the market. You don't just go to market and start buying things that have already maybe like iPhone 6, which that is no longer rampant in the market, and you went ahead to buy maybe the case, everything that have to do with iPhone 6. Those things will not sell. So you need to look what is trending in the market. Those things that are trending in the market, that's what you have to buy. You understand? Those things that they are trending in the market, that's what you buy. So you don't just, these are just the secrets. You don't just go to market and start buying things anyhow. No, you need to look at what is trending. Like this now, we have iPhone 16 Pro Max coming up. We have Samsung S24 Ultra. All these things, you need to buy the product because that's what is trending now. So all those we have technos, most of all these newer techno that are coming up, you need to buy their screen guard, their case, their chargers, fast chargers that are people will look for. So you need to look out to what is trending, and when you understand what is trending at that moment, then you can be able to go to market and buy those things that is actually trending at that very particular time. So that is number 5, I think. So another thing is customer retention is another secret. Don't be too greedy in this business. Don't be too greedy in phone accessory business. Don't be too greedy in phone accessory business. Learn to have a customer retention. When we say customers retention, we are talking of doing a discount. Yes, if you are a type that actually give a at least the discount should not be much that you are going to overgain or over lose or lose too much. No, you should you just look around. How much is people selling this charger? You can be able, if they are selling the charger maybe 2,000, you can remove like 100 naira on the amount. You see that people will love to come and patronize. You will be gaining a lot of genuine organic customer that will be coming to your shop to buy your goods. So this customer retention is very, very important, because when you give good prices, and you sometimes you can even do giveaway. Yes, you can dash them, maybe someone who bought a charger or a power bank, you can dash the person the screen guard. You can just tell the person, bring your screen, bring your phone, and you can just put the screen guard, just allow it to go. The customer will be very, very happy with you, and tomorrow he's going to be recommending your shop to his friends, his family, people, to come to your shop and purchase. So customer retention is very, very important in this business. That's the secret. So our next on the list now is location and online combo. Yes, so location, I think I have to laugh because I've been talking about location. In fact, each time I want to talk about phone accessory, the first thing I always talk about is location. Location is very, very important in this business. In fact, that's number one self. That's supposed to be a number one. Location is very, very important. Let's just tell ourselves the truth, because you can't locate this business in an area where maybe where they are selling, like what will I even put it, maybe they are selling building material, then you go and set up the business, it will not work. So you need a location. You need places that, if you are going to set this business outside where people like JSM village that we have in Lagos, Computer Village, we have JSM, it's a lot of JSM in Abuja, and so many even in Kano, so many states in Nigeria. So if you want to set up the business in this area, maybe outside where people are actually dealing on this phone accessory, you need to make sure that you are the only one selling that product there, and your product should not be located at an upstairs. This is another secret. Just hear this secret now, what I'm about to tell you. If you are locating your business in a plaza, it should not be situated on anything first story or second story. It must be underground, on the ground floor. You should not situate your business at even a first floor or second floor. No, they don't situate phone access. If it's phone accessory we are talking about, you don't situate it in maybe let's say a 3-story plaza. Then no, you have to set it on the ground floor. So if you want to set it in a plaza, don't go to upstairs, because that's just a secret. That is, if just from your own observation, you can go around, look at a lot of JSM. You see that mostly people who goes at the upstairs, mostly engineers or people who sell phones or phone parts, not phone accessory. Phone accessory is situated at the ground floor, because by the time someone will start climbing to go and collect a screen guard, he can even just buy it, since there are a lot of people who are selling on the ground floor. So except maybe you have a good customer retention, that's the only thing that will make you survive. But this business, you don't locate it at upstairs. No, Don't locate it at anything. I don't know how I can put it, but I know you understand what I mean, like first story or no. You locate it at the ground floor. If you don't have a location, good location there, you can go to another place and check, but don't locate it at the ground floor. So location is very important in this business. And if you can be able to get yourself attached anywhere where they are selling label, you see that you will be making your money. Forget this, that's the nature of the business. You'll be making your money. Just get yourself, but make sure your kiosk or your table or whatever you are selling with is situated in the ground floor, not upstairs. So another the last but not the least is the last but not the least is start small. So I will use this one to round up today's video. So start small means that this business, I think I mentioned something like that earlier. You don't need to become Dangote. You don't need to become Wale Adenuga. You don't need to become Bola Tinubu. Sorry, President of Nigeria. You can start small. When I say small, I mean you can start with as little as even 10,000. It all depends on how you want to package yourself. If you are starting with a small amount, that means there are still other way where you can do it and survive it. But if you are starting with a big capital, that means you need to get a good shop, because this business you can even do you can do like hawk. You can hawk it. If you can buy, it's all about making your money. So there's nothing like being ashamed or anything. You can do a hawk, buy as little as anything and hawk. People will still buy. You still be making it. That one is even more safer, because most of the time when you sell your product, you don't have to, because this one now is just like a sacrifice. Because sometimes when you sell your product, whether the product is good or it's not bad, the customer will not be able to see you again because you are just passing by. So maybe he bought charger and the charger got burned. He cannot come to your shop and tell you, Oga, change this charger. So that's another advantage of hawking. But I'm not encouraging you to go and start selling bad things to people. So sell something that people will recommend you. So when I say start small, you can use any amount to start up this business and you are going to be making your money. So it's just the secret about this business. And let me tell you, phone accessory business doesn't have a control. It doesn't have a control price. Which when I say control price is that you can buy your product at the rate of 200 and you can sell it at the rate of 2,000. It all depends how you are able to convince your customers to buy. So the product doesn't have any price control. That's why sometimes when you go to market, you can buy screen guard maybe 500. When you go to another shop, you see you will be buying it at a rate of 1,005. You see, so the business doesn't have control. So it's just what's made up this business, and that's why the business is very unique. And as long as we keep living in this world, this business will continue to be with us, because mobile phone is something we need it. We need it to do communication. We need it to browse. We need it to do a lot of stuff. So business phone accessory is a very nice business, and you should try as much as possible to get yourself trained on the business. And even if you are not trained, there are still ways you can still start it, but you must be very smart. You must be very smart and know how to convince your customers to buy your product. So thank you very much. That is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please, especially those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, endeavor to subscribe, because that will also encourage me to continue to bring all these secrets which a lot of you who are even doing the business don't know. I'll be sharing most of all these secrets, because I've been in this business for long and I know quite a lot of things I've achieved from the business. So I'm going to see you in my next video, and thank you very much. If you have any question, any whatever, you can use the comment section to put in your question there. We can debate. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.